How to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall stop-born apps on your Android device, especially those that won't uninstall normally. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and once you have opened the app drawer, simply open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as security and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the security and privacy, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as more security settings. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as device admin apps. So just tap on it. And now here, find the app that's giving you trouble. And once you have found that, simply toggle it off and then tap deactivate, and this removes special permission that might be blocking uninstallation. And after that, you can simply go back to the apps and simply delete it. But also note that if an app is a system app like Android Auto, you can't uninstall it, but you can disable it. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.